Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ActiveCampaign for affiliate email campaigns, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize ActiveCampaign for your affiliate email campaigns, begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Within the settings menu, select the developer tab to access API settings. Locate your API URL and key, which are essential for integration. Keep this window open as you will need this information shortly. Next, log into your affiliate program's dashboard where you want to integrate ActiveCampaign. Find the section for email settings or integrations, as this varies by platform. Look for an option to add or authorize an email automation service. You should see a field to input your ActiveCampaign API URL and key. Copy and paste the API URL from your ActiveCampaign settings into the designated field. Then, copy and paste your API key into the appropriate field. After entering this information, look for a button to save or connect the integration. Once your information is submitted, you may need to verify the connection. This could include sending a test email or completing a confirmation process. After verifying, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that ActiveCampaign is successfully authorized. Now you can begin setting up your affiliate email campaigns using ActiveCampaign. Go to the Campaigns section in ActiveCampaign to start creating your emails. Choose between standard campaigns, automated campaigns, or specific sequences for your affiliate promotions. Design your email content, ensuring it aligns with your affiliate marketing goals. Customize your audience by selecting the right segments or lists that best suit your campaign. Finally, review your campaign settings and schedule the emails for delivery. With this setup complete, your affiliate email campaigns will now be powered by ActiveCampaign. Regularly monitor your campaign analytics to assess performance and make necessary adjustments. This process will enhance your affiliate marketing efforts and improve customer engagement. Remember to stay compliant with email marketing regulations throughout your campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.